it's Madison Stallworth again with your MCC Trivia. Today we'll be talking about Vernon Crawford. Vernon Z. Crawford was born in Mobile, Alabama in 1919 to Charles Crawford and Willie Ella Landrum. Following graduation from Mobile's Josephine Allen Institute, Mr. Crawford served during World War II as a merchant seaman. In 1951, he graduated from Alabama State University with a Bachelor of Science degree. After college, Mr. Crawford attended Brooklyn Law School, for which he graduated in 1956. Upon returning to Mobile, he established the city's first African-American law firm, which was located on Davis Avenue, the city's center of African-American life at the time. Mr. Crawford's law firm soon became an important force in using the legal system to bring social change. With a keen sense of legal precedent and the United States Constitution, Mr. Crawford confronted Jim Crow head-on in the courtroom during the height of civil rights movement with fierce determination. With his victories having ramifications still felt today, Mr. Crawford took on such groundbreaking issues as school desegregation, discriminatory jury selection, and minority vote dilution. Some of the pivotal lawsuits handled by Mr. Crawford's firm include the landmark constitutional law case, New York Times versus L.B. Sullivan, one of the key Supreme Court decisions supporting the freedom of the press. Because of this case, news organizations were free to report the widespread disorder in civil rights at the time without fear of prosecution. State of Alabama versus Willie Seals, which had national ramifications and served as a precedent for the tying of juries throughout the South. Bolden versus City of Mobile, which challenged the constitutionality of Mobile's commission, formed the municipal government and brought about the mayor-council system. Bertie Mae Davis versus Mobile County School Board, which brought about the desegregation of Mobile County public school system. And Rogatin versus City of Mobile. While working pro bono for a white Kelpie prison inmate, Mr. Crawford successfully obtained the first right of error, coram nobis, in the history of Mobile County. Lawyer Crawford, as he was admiringly known, is remembered as the Dean of African American Attorneys. In Mobile, having mentored many of the city's school African American lawyers, among his law partners and associates were A.J. Cooper, who served as Pritchard, Alabama's first African American mayor, the late Michael Figures, who served in Alabama State Senate, as who is an inductee of the Alabama Lawyers Hall of Fame, the late King Kennedy, who was a Mobile County Circuit Judge, and David Collier, a United States District Court Judge. Mobile's Black Lawyers Association honored Mr. Crawford by renaming the organization the Vernon Z. Crawford Bay Area Bar Association. In addition to his law practice, Mr. Crawford was cooperating attorney with NACP Legal Defense Fund, a founder of the Gulf Federal Savings and Loan in Mobile, and was active in a number of civic organizations. He continued a successful law practice in Mobile until his death in 1986. His legal papers are preserved today in the University of South Alabama archives.